Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about Indian Railways, Waterways and Airways. Transport in the Republic of India is an important part in the nation's economy. Since the economic liberalization of 1990s, development of infrastructure within the country has progressed at rapid pace. Today there is wide variety of modes of transport by land, water and air. Indian railway system is the largest in Asia, the fourth largest in the world. It is the big department of public understanding in the country. Now, today we are going to learn about Indian railways and waterways. Indian railway system is the main artery of the country's inland transport. Railways cater to the needs for large-scale movement of traffic both for freight and passengers, thereby contributing to economic growth. Railways are considered as the backbone of the surface transport of India. It promotes national integration by bringing people together. It also promotes trade, tourism, education, etc. Railways help in the commercialization of the agriculture sector by facilitating the bulky movement of perishable goods. Its role in transporting raw materials to industries and finished goods to market is invaluable. Indian Railways network is the largest in Asia and second largest in the world. For operations and managements, the Indian Railways is organized into 17 zones. Metro railways in India. There are 8 cities with metro rail connectivity in India. There are Kolkata, Chennai, Delhi, Bangalore, Kurgan, Mumbai, Jaipur and Kochi. The metro and Kolkata is the first one in India. It is also called Mass Rapid Transit System. As of September 2018, India has 507 kilometer operational metro lines and 381 stations. The state of Meghalaya has no railway network. Next, we are going to learn about air transport. Airways are the quickest, costliest, most modern and comfortable means of transport. Air transport facilitates connectivity on a national, regional and international scale. It has made accessibility easier by connecting difficult terrains like high mountains and sandy deserts. It carries passengers, freight and mail. Air transport plays a key role in times of emergency as well as in the event of natural and man-made calamities like flood, epidemics and war. Air transport in India made beginning on 18th February 1918 when Henry Pickett carried a mail from Allahabad to Naini. In 1953, 8 different airlines which were in operation in the country were nationalized. Air transport is an important enabler to achieving economic growth and development. Air transport facilitates integration into global economy and provides vital connectivity on a national, regional and international scale. It helps generate trade, promote tourism and create employment opportunities. Domestic airways. Domestic airways fly within the boundaries of a country and international airways connect major cities of the world. The Indian Airlines and Air India are the two airline services run by the Government of India. Indian Airlines provides the domestic air service and Air India provides international air services. Presently, there are 19 designated international airports available in the country. Domestic flights are generally cheaper and shorter than most international flights. Some international flights may be cheaper than domestic ones due to the short distance between the pair of cities in different countries and also because domestic flights might in smaller countries mainly be used by high paying business travels, while leisure travelers use road or rail domestically. Waterways in India. A waterways is an important mode of transport for both passenger and cargo traffic in India. It is the oldest and also the cheapest means of transport and most suitable for carrying heavy and bulky materials from one country to another. It is a fuel efficient and eco-friendly mode of transport. The water transport is of two types. First one is inland waterways and second one is ocean waterways. Inland waterways of India has an extensive network of inland waterways in the form of rivers, canals, lakes and backwaters. It depends upon the depth and width of the waterways and the continuity of water flow. For the development and maintenance and regulations of national waterways in the country, the Inland Waterways Authority was set up in 1986. The major national waterways are National Waterway 1. It extends between Haldia and Allahabad, measures 1620 km. It includes the stretches of Ganga Bahadir Gugli river system. National Waterway 2. The waterway includes the stretch of Brahmaputra river between Dhubri and Saidia, distance of 891 km. Next one is National Waterway 3. The waterway extends between Kollam and Kottapuram in the state of Kerala. It is the first national waterway in the country with 24-hour navigation. Next one is Oceanic Routes. Ocean routes play an important role in the transport sector of India's economy. About 95% of India's foreign trade by volume and 70% of by value moves through ocean routes. Coastal shipping plays an important role in transport of bulk goods in India. Shipping is only the most economical mode of transport. It is also an environment friendly mode. The sea and oceanic routes are mainly used for international trade and are connected through ports. There are 13 major and 200 minor and intermediate ports in India. The major ports are administered by the central government and minor ports are managed and administered by the state of government. The major ports of the east coast of Kolkata, including Haldia Dock, Paradip, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Ennur and Tuticorin. The major ports of west coast Kandla, Mumbai and Jawaharlal Nehru Port, New Mangalore, Marmago and Kochi. India has 4 major shipyards. Hindustan Shipyard in Visakhapatnam, second one Gordon Reach Worship in Kolkata and third one is Mahazon Cap Dock in Mumbai. Kochi Shipyard in Kochi, India is the second largest ship owning country in Asia and ranks 16th in the world. Next one is pipeline transport. Pipeline provided a very convenient mode of transport to connect oil, natural gas fields, refineries and to the markets. In the past, these were used to transport water to cities and industries. Now, solids can also be transported through pipeline when converted into the slurry. The initial cost of laying pipeline is high, but subsequent running cost is minimum. It can be laid through difficult terrain as well as water. It ensures steady supply of goods and reduces transshipment losses and delays. Oil fields in Upper Assam to Kanpur and Salaya in Gujarat to Jalandhar in Punjab and gas pipeline from Hazira in Gujarat and Jagdishpur in Uttar Pradesh. Thank you, students.